to another video. We're taking a beach day today in what I consider to be the best beach in Montego Bay and one of the best beach in all of Jamaica, Doctor's Cave. There it is. Isn't it beautiful? It's just slightly overcast, which is good because you know the heat these days is something else. But we're excited to just spend the day, relax on the beach. The guy's already gone to Starbucks there. That's one thing here. You could buy Starbucks right on the beach and sip. Isn't that cool? So yeah, the water is beautiful as usual. And whoa, check this out. Look at this yacht out in water. Doctor's Cave on the beach. We all have our own chair. Relaxing. I could fall asleep right here for a few hours. here, we've been here a few hours, took a swim, you guys saw a lot of the fish. We ate, got something to drink, Ricky is over here sleeping, so we're just enjoying ourselves. 3:30, quarter to 4-ish kind of way. We spent all day in Doctor's Cave. I'm pretty sunburned, I don't know if you can see, but look how glorious it is. It rained a little bit, but it was still really good. So we're now going to change, get ready, there's good changing rooms here, and head up the road. Alright, and here we are. The guys washing their feet. We're all changed. As you can see, the sun is, it's not really going down, but it is late in the afternoon. It is basically 4 o'clock. And we're just waiting for the ladies to change their clothes. Their son coming in there looking very tired. But it was a pretty good day so far.